into my eyes, feel the love intensify, blow like dynamite. Give it all tonight, treat me good, I'll treat you right, let me satisfy. I want your body, just say you want me to. I got nothing else to do. I got nothing else to do. Blow like dynamite. Give it all tonight, treat me good, I'll treat you right, let me satisfy. I want your body, just say you want me to. I got nothing else to do. I got nothing else, I got nothing else, I got nothing else to do. I got nothing else, I got nothing else. I love the way you drop it down. Get down if you want me now. Get down, bring it to the ground. Get down if you want me now. I got nothing else to do.
My head is spinning around, think I need a new one. My mind is drifting away, and I'm on the backseat of my own life. I don't wanna be like everybody, carried by the sea, sinking in too deep. Find my pieces, everything I seek. My heart is getting weak. If I am sick, you're my medicine. I need some remedy. Touch me one more time and I'll be fixed. Can you hear the sound of my soul calling out your name, begging you to stay? Can you hear the sound of my heart beating for you, beating for a change? My feet stop touching the ground. I'm getting closer to the sun, and my brain is melting away. Need a glass of ice water to refresh my mind. I don't wanna be like everybody, carried by the sea, sinking in too deep. Find my pieces, everything I seek. Can you hear the sound of my soul calling out your name, begging you to stay? Can you hear the sound of my heart beating for
Yo, Chad, what's up, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are having a great day. Jeff, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good, man. Great to be back. Hopefully we
Hey.
get something liquor on the markets.
I think we're going to, bro. You know, this little birdie told me today it is a bad day to be a TP because
Oh,
TPs are going to get smacked. But Chad, I hope you guys are ready for this one. It's going to be a juicy New York session. Things playing out almost perfect to the T as what we basically analyzed from the London session. And again, fundamentally, again, doing exactly what we spoke about. So yeah, we're not going to waste too much time and break it down just we're going to start jumping into things, start looking, see what we can get. But guys, I will just say today will be a little bit of a short session. I have to be out of here at 4:30. I've got to be somewhere, so myself and Jeff will have to call it a little bit early today. We have to. But until then, hopefully we get something. We do have fundamentals. After a whole week, we had fundamentals, so the markets are alive. There is volume, so definitely think we will still catch them. Don't you worry. But let's get right into it then, Chad. So let's take a look at those fundamentals first. Obviously, we had GDP coming out at 1 o'clock. Not interested in that. But USD at 2:30, we had unemployment claims. They obviously expected a raise from 209 to 212, and we had quite a big jump coming out at 231. So in terms of weakness for the dollar, Chad, actually another big miss for the dollar. So dollar not looking too good. Obviously, we're going to take note of this, think about what's happening in the future, what's happening with all the fundamentals at this point in time, but definitely not looking good for the dollar. We spoke about all this. So if you guys have just been, especially in the London session, listen to the analysis in the morning, you guys will know these things. So already for myself, I won't lie to you guys, I already did catch some buys on US30 and NAS. So for me, I'm going to be trading basically with profits now going to this session. So I beg you to buy gold. I told you to buy gold during London, but that's life. Mark Miner, my brother, if I had to listen to you all the time, you would be the one to stream, not the one listening to me. So I'm glad for you if you made some money there, brother, but I think I know what I'm doing, so don't worry. But now, over to the things, guys. Let's talk about the charts. So DXY, we're going to look here now. Basically, very, as you said, trade up to the 105,300. This is what we want to take note of. Big rejection. We have that kind of miss again on the dollar. So now we have a reason to be bearish. And now we can see that reason of coming bearish, taking out these lows, and going for that gap fill here at the bottom. So again, on the 15, all I want to see now, we want to see this daily pivot, EQ area, Asia lows, all of these hold now coming into market open. Then we can see the sell-off come in and then target all the way back down to those lows. I'm still small time, but I streamed it. Well, may the best be for you, brother. If you streamed it, then why are you on our stream? But again, don't need to waste my time on these little ones. So, okay, if we go over now to NASDAQ, guys, let's actually start with NASDAQ instead. NASDAQ looking very much bullish. We spoke about this. We said to you guys it was bullish yesterday, having the test of that 18 psychological level, basically coming all the way back up, trading over here. Obviously, now we said we needed the retest after the break back above. So yesterday was that retest. This morning, just trading down, but holding above the key level. We said we don't want any tests over there. And now obviously trading right back above that little zone for us. So same thing with NASDAQ. If we can maybe just have a retest of Asia highs, we can then see that big bull move to the top side. So very simple for us moving forward with NAS today. If anything, simple play, just move into Asia highs. Then over to US30, guys. US30 we're going to see over here again, also pretty much bullish. Traded back, we obviously broke up there. We now trade back to the zone. So what are we looking for in the 4 hour? Very simple. We wanted to trade down. We didn't want to break the zone. Literally hold here and then stay above here. So on the 30 minute, let's see. On the 30 minute over here, we traded above, holding the zone, breaking above, holding it there. So on the 15, we're going to see this over here, guys. EQ holding for us, solid, nice and solid. Break it above, holding the zone, break above, still staying there. So even with US30, as long as we, I just want to turn that music down a little bit, guys. So if we can see anything over here, if we can trade off holding that zone, personally, I think the minute we can start getting a nice close above the daily pivot, we can look obviously to get into the Asia range, because NASDAQ we can see already smashed Asia lows, Asia highs, and got nicely above. we've seen DXY drop off, we've seen gold break. So if anything, US30 probably gonna be our best option today, almost a delayed one out of the three. See this break above, get in that Asia range, target these weak Asia highs, and that continuation to the top side. Then last but least, guys, gold. Very, very simple one. Yeah, obviously you had your big move to the top side. Again, this was all fundamental driven at this point in time. So that's where you traded very, very simply into this rejection zone. Yeah, we have for you. Literally hitting the top of the range and massive, massive sell-off. So until, again, if the move can't hold, but again, some people maybe trade it, but they don't actually understand fundamentals, so they don't even know what they're doing, and then they get caught in this. But again, we don't know what we're talking about. So when we're going to see this come down here now, you're going to start trapping these guys in back at Asia highs. Guys, if this thing doesn't hold Asia highs, very, very simple for me. If we don't hold Asia highs and hold above this little intraday level, we can see the big rejection area. We can see the sell-off going for Asia lows and then basically taking it further down, taking Asia lows and continuing to the downside. So as I still said to you guys this morning, very, very neutral outlook we want to have and take it from that approach. Okay, so just be very careful here this morning. Again, we're seeing gold pull back a lot stronger than we see in the other pairs. So just something to take note of. But other than that, Jev, what are you looking for, brother?
Start off with DXY. So this morning I said to everyone, I want to see what price does at this demand zone. So price has respected it at this level, and now we can see that clean break. So we did have a break of structure, so we can clearly see that this is the demand which has flipped bearish. So I would like to see DXY actually retrace up towards these highs, tap into that level, and then basically continue this short move towards the downside, potentially tapping the pivot and then trading up, because this is still unmitigated down here. And also from my book, I like this little wick here from yesterday's low, that being swept, and now price hitting this low down here. So just want to see that retracement and then price trading down basically. Then looking at USD Swiss franc, we had the supply zone over here, and you can see price slightly broke above it, leading to this gap. Now the only thing I don't like about this is price could easily, when they go up, fill this gap but go to that demand zone down there, up here. So supply zone up there. So I wouldn't per se want to look for sells on USD Swiss franc. USD yen on the other hand also, oh, they look ugly, man, they look ugly. So okay, I think from USD Swiss franc, USD yen, I won't be looking at that today. So EU G will be our babies. So we can see EU has tapped into the supply zone up here. However, I don't want to be looking for sells based off what DXY is doing. I would like to see EU trade down though into this demand zone down here, which lines up with this little trend line. So if I go to my 4 hour, you'll see this is a level we've marked out ever since we caught these buys all the way down here, and you can see price is still holding this trend line basically. So it would be nice to see price trade down, tap it one more time in correlation with that demand zone as well as institutional level of 1.07250, and then continue that move towards the upside. So I want to see DXY retrace up and then down, and see EU to retrace down and then go up. Then on GBP USD, similar as well, we can see price has broken above that supply, so price has now flipped, giving us this bullish little zone over here. Big order block, we have this gap, so initially want to see price actually fill that gap, so we will put it at that level, institutional point. Yesterday we did set a buy limit out on this, but unfortunately we weren't tapped in, we deleted that order. This morning you can see price did hold that level, and then the news came out flipping, breaking to the downside and then changing character back to the upside. So I'm still bullish on G. I want to see this happen and trade up. GJ, my only concern here is price change character and now in the supply zone, so we could easily also see price now basically drop, and this is my only fear for the GBP USD, because then if GJ flips, that could also have an effect on GU there. So then let me see what else I have on here. CAD yen, not something I'll personally look at. We missed that. Euro yen, this was CJ spare. Price has swept that level, break of structure to the upside. Price flipping bullish, break of structure, so we could actually see EJ when you get back down here, also institutional level of 167.250, so we could easily see EJ do this. Now I like the way this looks, this correlation with EJ and DXY. Okay, so then moving on to NASDAQ, we can see NASDAQ is now taking out that supply over there, so price, it could now easily flip bullish, and I would look to go long once we get to this level. US 30, I want to see price actually take out these levels and actually break above here so we can have a demand zone form before looking to decide anything on here. Just right now the pattern isn't as clear for me. And then on gold actually tapping into that zone very early during the session, but I don't like the momentum gold came down with. But initially, if you look at the 50-minute chart, there is this demand zone all the way down here at the pivot. So I would initially want to see gold trade into this level before looking to go short, because now we also have this little build up of liquidity. So literally bullish on the XXX USD pairs and bearish on USD. That's me.
Alright, there we have it. Okay. Already guys are up and alive here. Forex Master Kinners, I do remember it was you saying that GDP would affect gold, brother. I do also remember that. And then over to my brother Mo. I can guarantee you're not a profitable trader. I know it's going to hurt your little ego, but if you're telling me you don't need to understand fundamentals to trade successfully, you will never ever be a profitable trader. So you can take that to the bank, my man.
Ed, so I don't per se use trend lines, but this is something I've implemented for the retail trend basically. So long term, I wouldn't be surprised if EU goes back to take out all those buyers basically. But literally, it's not a trend line. It's just I wouldn't even say confluence, but perspective, you know.
EU FFAC Keegan, don't be hard because he was right. What was he right about? So nothing to be hard sore about, bro. Hey, all these keyboard warriors, but yet they still follow us to learn how to make money.
EU FFAC. Why do you say we worship Baal?
Guys, very simple. All we're going to do, all the mods, please just handle these guys. We don't have time for them anymore. We don't have time or energy for these guys. Literally, again, I don't need them in our streams. We definitely don't need their vibes. I'm at a point we don't even need to entertain it. So I'm sure the mods can handle all of these clowns. Yeah, Donnie, let's just say we can literally get rid of them very quick and easy. Again, I said nothing wrong with the bars, bro. If you look at my thing, I said neutral. I said if we were down there, low. If we were above there, bars. You hit a brick wall, break above, you could have entered. There's the bar. We were neutral this position. You can see the daily buys. You can go back and read this morning. We said it. So nothing against the bars. That's not what any of the issue we had. But yeah, I don't know where guys are saying we complained about the gold bars.
I'm still thinking about this guy who says we worship Baal, like Vault Markets for worships Baal.
Because there's a bull on the...
Yeah, and I'm just like, it just shows how uneducated they are. Because if you go look at, okay, I'm not sure if Vault Markets has something like that, a mission statement on their website, but bro, I doubt. I think worshipping Satan is lasting on Vault's mind if we have all this money to make.
No need for these clowns, man. Send them. Yeah, Marky, we're gonna get rid of them. Fabio, Fabs, aren't you a mod already though, bro? Didn't we mod you?
Nah,
to become a mod, we make you a mod, bro. You have to have the mod characteristics, Fabio. Now TGs must stop analyzing, addressing stupid remarks. Yeah, we just don't have time for it anymore, bro. Like my thing is, I don't want to say we don't need it. Like it's just a waste of our time. Because at the end of the day, if you are so good, why are you here watching us to learn? And again, for the guys that are watching, why do you need to take away from them? Like everyone else is here to have a good time, have some fun and laughter, and make money. So, Nakis, you guys haven't, boy. All right, Fobs, with the power invested in me, my brother, we are going to make you. We are going to make you a mod, my brother. So there we go, Fobs. With great power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely, my man. Forex Master Kenners, just remember, brother, you're also very close on the line, brother. Don't bring negative vibes here, gents. It's a belief. We're here to learn and make money. Exactly, Dorian. You got to be emotional, Fob. Cockboy is always in the New York session. Yeah, bros. I don't know what it is about New York session. You know what it is? It's probably because they've all blown up their accounts in London. So now they're not.
You know what, Jaden? No. You see, that's where you guys are wrong. Do you know why it's called bulls and bears? How does a bull attack? A bull goes down and he goes up. Ne? That's why a bull market goes up. A bear market, how does a bear attack? A bear goes up and goes down on his opponent. So that's why we have bulls and bears. Nothing about he. If you guys want lessons on conspiracy theories, you can come here and I'll actually give you the right facts.
Yeah, the only thing is, hey guys, Steve, I know, bro. If we mod Steve, yes, bro. Steve's gonna be booting half of his chat into the metaverse. Saying huge movements coming, consumer statement event will push the momentum of the New York session, dollar correlated pairs. Yeah, the size of the egos you get with trading is ridiculous. Like how you come to someone else's stream and they want to give signals, start your own stream, man. Yeah, bro, it's I don't get it. The Forex market is quite close to being travel wild show. Yeah, very very close to becoming the next one.
Jaden, my man, before you call me stupid, my man, just understand, I study these things, my man. So before you, okay, so I will say this, send me the verse in the Bible where it says that trading is evil, and I will show you a verse in the Bible where the Bible says that you must invest your money in foreign trade.
All right, guys, let's chill it out here. Let's chill it out. Let's just chill it out there. Getting a bit heated now. The metaverse is hungry. Love the bulls and bears subscription. Yeah. You know your conspiracy is really out of left field. You even if the Jevons also failed to disappoint me. What is my brother saying there? I'm not here to make my... Okay, guys, yeah. Jaden, that's your last warning, brother. The next time we will kick you from this channel. Like, we're trying to be nice, but you're stepping out of line. Listen, guys, come on. Like, we gotta have fun. We chill out. Everyone just chill out here, guys. Michaela's not taking prisoners here today, guys.
Yo, last time when I got home, and she asked me what was happening in the chat, and I was like, you know what? Itty was having fun, and now he can't change his name.
Yeah, the Osa Alpha Blood, Nasdaq, like, yo, guys, trust me. Let's just say, Chad, like, guys, let's just chill out. Let's handle this nicely. Like I say, we can always talk, but when Oak's gonna get, like, a bit personal, rude, like, let's just relax. Yeah. DXY, we sell. Roy saying, do you mean you bearish on DXY? So you're selling the other pair, or you mean you DXY is gonna sell? Sorry, brother. If you're saying DXY is gonna sell, I agree with you. 100% I am bearish on DXY now. So we got 1 minute till market open, guys. Let's see.
Janje Curtis, ek is van Allewil Noord. Where you from? Sounds like you know everyone there. It's a small town.
It's gonna sell. Okay, yeah. No, I'm with you, bro. Play some jams. The candles want to move keys. Yeah, trust me. Also, we're gonna wake these candles up very, very shortly. We are gonna wake them up very shortly. Don't you worry. The Gulag see multiple hostiles today. 100%. Takir, we are bullish on US30. It's just a case of where we can buy. Personally, where it is now, I'd love to take the buy now, but obviously I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute shuffle. So we're just gonna wait a little bit before we jump in there. I'm from PE but worked for 8 years in... I have no clue how to pronounce that. Then partially there a lot. Bad day to be a doist. That's it, Michaela. Die song fan, Alright, guys, there we go. Market open. Where is the. James just passed me the little horn there, bro.
Little horn.
The horn, yeah.
Oh.
Markets are open, guys. Round 2. Fight.
Oh, okay. You're working Queenstown for. Okay, Curtis, more or less, what's your age group? I know some people in Queenstown. Maybe you also know some of them. If so, very small world. Big Omani. We used to joke about Omani so much.
I bought Naz from just stopped off my trail. Stop A, Ben, unlucky.
So do you know Brody them, Brody Money, Brody with the polo? Do you know
Brody with the polo.
what's the other guy's name? John T with the Mazda. Do you know those Owens?
Nah, it's John T with the Mazda. Is there only like a guy that has one car of each car, bro? That's how you know them.
There, yo, Curtis, there was a point, yo. I was a punt ek het geboren in Queenstown, young, when I was in grade 10, grade 11. Every Friday after school, taxi, hike there, go party there for the weekend. Hou die grot.
Yeah. Guys, I'm out of here. Oh, cheers, my man. Polo. You had a moment there. Yeah. Nah, I don't really know a lot of those guys there. The Polo. Yeah, Jev's PR trading just dropped there for a moment, guys. That was a violation, Keeks. Low-key cartel slammed. Hey, guys with the Mazda is famous. I would only remember guy with the Ferrari or guy with the BMW.
Oh, yeah, so you can hear grot. So now at least we've been in the same environment before. We've had a similar experience there at grot.
Hey, you guys.
You know, in Queenstown, there's a place called the Grot. A grot is most like a cave. So literally, just cavemen there.
Damn. Yo, bro. These markets are. I really hope we get some clear action. Obviously, guys, remember we're waiting for the 50-minute shuffle. So just hang on. We are going to take something. Just wait a bit. Keegs, you're going to hop in on US30 when it retests. Takeed, I would like to retest. But again, it's a 50-minute shuffle for me, bro. So just waiting for that 50-minute shuffle.
What's your thoughts on NASDAQ? Going to buy it?
NASDAQ, I also want to buy, bro. NASDAQ's actually literally, I wanted to retest at Asia highs. So this is actually testing it perfectly now. I just want to see kind of what's happening, yeah.
Okay, so we have a very close zone to each other.
Oh, you also want to buy there?
Yeah, I
Okay.
want to buy at 18,060.
Okay, I mean, that's actually not that far off.
Yeah.
You basically wanted at Asia lows. I wanted at Asia
Yeah.
highs.
Speaking of that, bro, I was at a shop the other day in Curtis bigger, and I also saw a drive-through liquor shop. Unreal, man, unreal. It just shows, guys, that there's so many ways to make money. Whoever thought of a drive-through liquor store?
Aye, but that's when you got problems.
That's really problems.
If
That's
you gotta go
problems.
through a drive, then there's issues there, bro.
Postman CEO, I'm good, man. I'm good. How are you doing? Steve. Have we met before, Steve?
Jeff, I think he's taking the piss out of you, bro.
Nah. That's me. That's me.
Everyone. Serious problems. Go give it a read. Oh no, that's a cop spot. I'm good, bro. I appreciate your input on everything.
Oh, you're welcome, man.
Sorry, Jeff, but everyone did. It just defeats the purpose of no drinking and driving. Yeah, that is. When you think of it that way, bro, that's like you literally just breaking the rule right there. All right. NASDAQ still holding there. US 30 kind of going a bit. So, yeah, guys, for me, I think gold just very, very extended on the day. I mean, this is almost a no man's land right now, and it's a big range. So, yeah, for me personally, I'm actually going to be looking at NASDAQ US 30 today. Can you explain the 50-minute shuffle? Lars, very, very simple. It's just basically there's a lot of volatility that comes out in the first 15 minutes of market. If you go back and look at it, you'll see a lot of bullish momentum, then it's bearish, then it's either the fake out, and then it goes the direction you want. So it's just for us on journeying and backtesting, we realized if we just wait for that 50 minutes, we don't get faked out or things like that. And then if we get an entry, it's a lot more higher probability it's going to play out. Oh, yeah. Jeff, the guys are telling you jokes.
Okay, joke time. Jeff, wat is de difference between a vlieg en een muggie? Een muggie kan vliegen, maar een vlieg kan niet. Ah, that's funny. That's funny. That joke. I'm gonna save that for one day. I wanna irritate my daughter.
If DXY fills the gap, then NAS also fills the gap. Wait, where does NAS have a gap? Hey?
Wait,
am I missing something? Where does NAS have a gap?
wait, who said NAS is a gap? Are you sure he's not referring to DXY? I only
No,
said
he said if DXY fills the gap, then NAS will also fill the gap.
Okay,
Where's the gap on NAS? Yeah, I'm not guessing bearish, bullish.
I don't see any gaps. It
Yeah,
might be
where-
his liquidity provider.
I was gonna say, bro, there's no gap on NAS. But yes, it would go the inverted direction. But yeah. So if DXY's gap is underneath it, NAS would be going up. So I don't know if that answers where your gap is, but yeah. We sold on DXY, Mr. Chris. Rory Sang. It's not Chris, brother. I'm Keegan. That's Jeff. Chris is the older one that's here in the morning. Tarkir on Vault Markets. Huh? I'm pretty sure there's no... Oh, there is a gap. Oh man, but that literally just opened now with news. It could if DXY is holding, but yeah. It could, if anything, we could even just go for that gap fill like now and then turn bullish after that. But yeah, I see what you're talking about then, Tatkir.
Keegan, have you and Kate finished Baby Reindeer?
No, we're on episode 4 or 5.
So you watched the third episode?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what's your thoughts on that?
On what part of it?
So with him like and the stalker, does it make more sense now? Like why he actually allowed all of this to happen?
No, so bro, it still doesn't allow. Like it doesn't make sense.
Bro,
Like to
Yeah.
me, like for example, like when she grabs him there under the tunnel.
yeah.
Bro, like no, like it doesn't make like you're running away from the chick. She puts it, and then it's like bro, and you just stand there, bro. I would have elbowed your head off your cop, like right there. That cop's rolling down the street, bro. What are you doing? Even if you're a smaller person, like you can still freaking swing, bro.
So like when we watched it, and it's like, bro, I'm still like WTF? What did we just watch? Sorry, Kaden, I see you have some jokes here.
Yeah, Dylan, sorry, bro. I don't know if we kind of give you spoil. Technically, we didn't say exactly what happened.
Yeah.
But yeah, sorry guys if you haven't watched it already. Don't give us spoilers.
Hey Quentin, my man.
What's up, Quentin?
So I don't get that joke, Kaden, about the non-binary, they, them. Like, I don't get it. I'm a bit slow there.
I don't get that one either.
Bossman did it. I think he got the answer there about the fish. They slashed him. Okay, I see what you did there. Okay, guys, the NASDAQ is in my zone, so let's just wait if you can see a confirmation here.
On Jeff's screen, guys, just while he's looking, the fact he's already got something for you there. Okay, can you speak Afrikaans? I know you can understand it. Alien, so I can speak it, but not like well. The problem is for me is I basically mix up my tenses. So like a lot from compared to English to Afrikaans, your tenses basically switch around a lot, and that's where then I just sound like an idiot. So yeah, for me that's just I can understand it, but it's just when I talk it, my brain doesn't calculate fast enough.
Oh damn.
Nas bars, yeah, no Turkey. I also want the Nas. Same way I agree with Roy saying DXY, big sales incoming. So I personally would really like the bars. Same like me with English. I speak Mechels when I speak English. My airtime runs like. Okay, no, I check you, bro. I check you. Yeah, literally the same. So we actually always laugh about it. It's always the most funny thing. So majority of my close friends are all Afrikaans. So they either accommodate us and they speak English, or it's that case of like we could go out and like you literally can talk Afrikaans and I'll talk English. But yet we know
See you in the land.
we understand each other.
See you in the land vibes.
Literally, bro.
Okay, still good with the zone. I just want to actually see it reject and perhaps close in the Asian range.
I'm so confused, Cosmic. What do you use to catfish on the internet? Huh? I'm confused now. The Nas is selling off hard, bro. You have to use clickbait. Okay, but no, hold on. Now catfish turned into clickbait. That's two different things.
Oh, okay, I see. Clickbait. Okay, I see. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny.
Oh,
sure,
like a joke. No, bro, I'm thinking like it was so random. Like out of it, like everyone else has told these jokes, and he just goes, "You're like, why are you like
Cosmic
catfishing?"
Guru is a genius.
And I was like, "Wait, what's this man going on about? Like, huh?"
This man's a genius. Jokes going over our heads here. Okay, I'm short, so it goes over my head.
I'm good with Afrikaans until someone speaks fast, starts speaking faster than 80 words a minute.
I remember at the Mana Aunt when they started the auction.
Oh, yeah.
I just feel it tapping. I was like, what did they say?
Bro, I'm sorry, guys. I really hope this doesn't come out wrong. But you get Afrikaans, and then you get Cape Town Afrikaans. That is two different things.
You know ne, Michaela's dad. he's like Kapenaar.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I talk to him ne, I don't understand what he says. And it's like I don't know. I don't want to say like, oh sorry, what did you say? And some people just like, yeah.
Nah, bro. Sometimes like when I like, especially when we're playing rugby, bro, playing with like some of the colored guys, and they start talking, bro. And I'm like, bro, what the hell did you just say to me? Like, I have no clue. Like that just went right over my head.
Yo, there's a documentary, guys, on gangs in Cape Town. Then they get to one guy who's in the cell, and they ask him to like explain what it's like to have like 20 people in a cell when there's not enough beds. And then like a guy goes, "Sim meneer die kamer, Daar's 'n groot kamer hier so binne. It's like, what? What?
That's literally it, bro. Yes. They hook you. It's the same thing there, bro. They hook you in the beginning, and then they just start going. And I'm like, yeah, I'm done. I'm done.
Sien meneer die kamer. I'm gonna go watch it again tonight. Just for that.
Apparently in South Africa, if you look black, people assume you speak Xhosa or something. Jake, so you're not from South Africa?
Maxwell.
I'm gonna see y'all in the lunch session. Have a great one. Jeez. Oh, Ben T. Cheers, brother. Have a good one. I've been in these cells since last night. Hey, read my Afrikaans message, Keegan. Where's Vince? As bevroegd dat ek kan nie wees van hierdie. Hold on, Chad.
Okay, I'll read it. Ek is bevoorreg dat ek kan deel wees van hierdie kanaal. Die waarheid hulle voorsien, gaan nie ongesiens verby nie. Dank u by voorbaat, meneer Cornelius. Just see, that is like, oh, proper.
Sorry, Chad. You know what's the most irritating thing, actually, eh? Like, I'm sorry, guys. This is to all the people. I know it's your job, like, to do the call things. But you call me out of the blue. And I've got to say hello about 8 times before you answer me. Then I'm just like, by the time you talk, I'm like, you know what? I'm putting the phone down.
You know what I do with them? If I do that, I go, hello. I drop the phone, eh? And when they phone back, I just breathe loud, like...
Alright, guys, 15 minutes has come and gone, so we're just gonna see what we can get in on. Nas is, I think, hurting a lot of people right here. Give it a read. Oh, yeah, guys, I was reading that. I'll look at it now quickly. What is called there? It was one of a card. Where'd that message go?
Oh, you were still moving nicely.
Bro, that is a tongue twister. Like, even though, like, in my head, my brain's like, damn. You know what's funny though, bro, is actually seeing, I still always say, so, okay, I'm actually not going to say it that way because that's just, I might get tuned. But, like, just overseas people. Like, you see those things where, like, overseas people have moved to South Africa and then they're trying to, like, learn Afrikaans or speak Afrikaans words. Bro, they just can't say it.
You know what I love, ne? I watched a movie the other night, Blood Diamond, with Leonardo DiCaprio. And he's basically like an African guy.
Yeah.
And now, like, the thing is, like, my thing is, if they want to do that, at least, like, have a guy who can speak, like, not even that. At least use a guy from South Africa. So when you try and do the accent, it sounds like a African accent. Now I'm watching this American trying to be South African, and it's like, bro, just like stop. Like, no.
Yeah, no, I get you, bro. I get you. What you do with marketing callers? I thought our company, I've been waiting for to fix your fridge, so I give them a chance to correct you. Just gamble on. Actually, so confused. Keen, did you still have your Subaru, sir? I just saw you as a man that is sick. Marco, no, I sold it, brother. Sure. It's in Cape Town now. Oh, my baby, she's gone. No, I do miss it, guys. I do miss that car. Jeff was funny enough one of the last people that actually got a ride in it.
Yeah, I made sure. I asked Keegan, like, I made sure, like, put your foot on it.
Nah, definitely missed that car.
Yeah, that day, it was when Keegan had the BM. So I don't know if you guys know this. Our day Rydal was here for the podcast. Power goes off. We have to rush to Chris's house. We get into now the thing is I ordered us food. So now we can't wait for this driver to come to the office. We need to go, like, the thing is scheduled and stuff. So like me, Kate and Keegan, we get in the car. We go to Burger King. Like Keegan is flying in this BM. He's flying. We get to the robot. We stand there. Now there's two kids in front of the car playing around and shit. Now the one kid, the one kid throws something there, but it's like a piece of paper. Now he throws the thing at Keegan's car, and I'm at the back like shit, like, oh, at least like it's a piece of paper. And they run, bro. Like they cross the street, and there comes a car, and the car bangs us lightly, like
Just to
dude, down.
clarify, not me, Chad, not me.
No,
like
not
we
Keegan.
standing there.
We're standing there, and we just hear like this, poof. And this lighty gets up, like he looks so confused. Like he looks at his bro, like, why'd you bump me? And it's like, but bro, like you're playing in the street. Yes, see. Oh man, NASDAQ is not giving me something nice, yeah.
But yeah, Mark, got a BM now, bro. 1 series. Just a little daily, like, run around for now. Because I just, like, more the adult things just had to change. I had to just get the daily for now. And then, yeah, Mrs. and myself have some other big plans we have to sort out. But no, new sports car is definitely on the list very, very soon. Yeah, DXY finally dying. Yeah, anything for me now is US30. We can't get it on. So either NAS needs to show us some type of reversal
And now,
or gold.
and now this guy bumps this kid, and Caitlin goes, the poor kid. Keegan goes, the guy's car.
Nah, bro. I'm sorry. I know it might be rude, but you're
Yo.
asking for why are you running in the road? Like running in the road, and then like again, like I understand it might be rude, but like you got hit again. He did try and brake, but he still obviously hit the kid. But then the kid like looks and skiffs at the guy. I'm like, bro, it's not his fault he hit you. A G80 Keegs. Neo. You're onto something there. You're onto something. But trust me, me and Chris do have some plans. Got some plans coming there, Chad.
Ooh, DXY doing. Oh, DXY almost at the pivot.
Oh, it is at the pivot.
Are we gonna see a flip? We might.
Oh, bro, if that thing flips, I think a lot of people are going to blow accounts. If that thing flips. I'm sorry for this week. It's been terrible. Hey, Johnny. Don Hansen, I can't deal. Shot for the little dodo, my brother. Hey. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, guys, from my side, I'm still waiting for a little something, yeah. But I want to change the music. This music's just killing my vibe right now. What's this? Okay, I feel like I'm in like some 80s diner now. Yeah, Peter, I must say, I think it was Peter, sorry, that will say above Asia lows for NAS, I think would be a good move. US30 just running. Gold going DXY. I must say I'm surprised though that Nas, like the move Nas is doing though.
Like, it surprised me. I didn't think it's gonna come back so far.
Just buy it, Jib. You can do it. Hey, FX 10 Rand. Hey. Shot for the dono. Even a little 10 Rand.
Halve loaf brood voor die kantoor.
I think we're on Jeb's screen. What you looking at, Keegs? Nothing really serious now, bro. Just looking at NAS. US 30 is running. So basically, the idea screen, but the idea. So gold looks very, very good for me. If you look at gold, US 30 looks very, very good for me. But if we look at DXY, DXY is not holding the pivot. It's breaking the pivot. So the idea that we break in the pivot, I want to see NASDAQ do the same thing. So NASDAQ, I want to see get to like Asia lows and then trade up. Because when we look at guys on the 4 hour, if imagine this thing flips at Asia highs, this can be a big, big move. So yeah, just really gonna honestly just wait for it and see what happens over there. Maybe take it to like the weekly resistance, something like that. The daily. Yeah, see if it can get back there. Might be a big ask, but we're going to see there, Chad. So personally, NAS, I think could be interesting because obviously we do have this little 30-minute at the bottom. And this thing's been holding over there, these lows which got tested. So yeah, really just going to see what NAS can do there for us. As I say, I am very like bearish on the dollar now. Because that's the thing, guys. If DXY does break this pivot, if it doesn't hold this pivot, I think DXY is in trouble. This thing, as we say, there we go, can go for that gap fill. And if we break that gap fill, can be coming down for this. So if we look at the 4 hour, we can obviously break this zone we rejected. We want to come all the way back down to this zone. So that's just what we're going to look for, Chad. Quite a simple one, honestly, on that side. Purely again, we're seeing what US 30 and that's doing. So yeah, I think NAS might just be like the fake card, if you want to say that, because look at gold, US 30. So again, just the idea that NAS is the lagging one out of all of them. Hey Jeff, what do you think, bro?
Shit, yo. Well, sorry, I was zoned out there now. What'd you ask?
About NAS.
The other thing is, I don't like how far it retraced. That's my only concern. I don't like how far it retraced. So for going long, I'm kind of skeptical about it. However, if we can go up a bit more and then like retrace, then I would say, okay, maybe we can. Like for instance, this zone I have at.
Let me just put it on.
Okay.
There we go.
So this zone I have here, basically this little X. So that is the. Let me just double check what that was. Okay, yes, there's a little supply area over here. So if I can see the supply area flip bullish and not hold, then I want to see it break back through. Maybe retrace back down here into that fair value gap. Then I'll consider taking a shot. But I'm scared to buy it from here.
Well, there it's pumping back up now, bro.
The only thing is, for my criteria, stop wise, it's bigger than me. But on DXY, I want to see it flip. Yeah, basically, if I can see this flip, good. But even if it breaks below, even better. Then we still on the move.
All right. There you heard it, Chad. You know what the man's looking for. Cheers, gents. Enjoy the rest of the session. Enjoy. Cheers, Gavin. Big thing for me is DXY, guys, at the weekly pivot. That's all I want to see.
Yo, guys, look what happened to me this morning. I don't have it on here now, but basically, here I'm so mad at myself. We had this zone over here. I took a buy right over here on this candle. I had an 18 pip stop. Literally on that candle, I had an 18 pip stop. And look what happened to me. Plug some. I'm so mad at myself. For me and Ed, in a very similar boat today when it comes to these stops, and they ran without us. Oh yeah, guys. If you guys haven't heard about this yet, let me put you on. Guys, journaling via Notion is so cool. Journaling via Notion is so cool. Let me show you guys something. Oh damn. Let me show you guys something. Oh no. Oh my word. Now okay, let me see if I can get in here quickly. Yeah, the million passwords.
Man, such good passwords, you forget them.
So keeping an eye here on NASDAQ. See. Oh damn, I removed that thing. No man. How can I not get into my account now?
Hi, Jeff.
What email did I use?
Keys, move away from Jev's screen whilst being Notion. Jev is okay. Sorry guys, I don't see what my boy is doing there. But yeah, I'm looking at this here. I think even above Asian highs would be nice. What do you think, Chad? USD. I think everything's just flying, if I'm honest with you. There you go. DXY melting though, guys. So DXY, USD's left the Chad. But let's just say, guys, so DXY melting. Gold, I think, is going to go for it. Nas just needs to get out of the little range it's in. Then I think Nas is solid as well. There goes Nas, guys. Oh my word, it's just gonna run now. It's not gonna give us an entry there.
I feel like an idiot right now.
Wow.
I can't remember what I used to log in.
Read up, what did I say? Jakes, bar Nas, lol. No, Jakes, trust me, I wanted the bars as well, bro. I'm not saying you're wrong, my brother. Trust me, I'm not saying you're wrong, bro. Are you still finding there, Jeff?
I'm still. I found it, guys. The one email I'm like, it can't be this one. It's that one. Still on my screen. Okay, so there's two of them basically, and why I like it is because I mean there's so many things you can add on to. But first of all, shout out to Mo for putting me onto Notion. So personal account, this is my results for the day. I had 2 stop losses. Second one was basically a risk entry on gold. That when I got stopped out on 18 pips. But the idea here is basically you have your date you entered, you have your period you in the trade, the pair, the type, time frame, trade report, entry, stop loss, take profit. This is one example. And then I found another template as well, which is pretty cool. Live trades and backtested trades. So if you guys want this template, just DM me and I'll send. I don't know how you share this, but yeah, then if you guys want it, you know, I mean, I'm not gonna charge you for it. I mean, that will be wrong of me to do that. But yeah, if you guys want this, hit me up because I struggled with the journal, setting up a journal. I had to find someone else's template because this thing is very confusing. But yeah, Chad, that is the one. So NASDAQ broke above that level for me, so I can start looking for my buys now when we get back to this level down here.
Yeah, Jakes, trust me, bro. All I want now is this candle we on. This candle closes just a little bit now above here. Yeah, bro, it closes bullish. I'll take the bar, bro. Remember, Jakes, I'm not saying you're wrong. I agree with you 100%. It's just a case of I've got my rules. So the market has to like meet those rules for me. That's all it is. Nah, 100% geeks, yeah. So bro, I hope if you're in, you're killing it already. Because I'm guessing if you were in by like already somewhere in this, you could basically break even already. But yeah, like I said, it's just because those are rejections. So it's like if I jumped in randomly, like I could really be sent to this drawdown, which is unnecessary. Now I'm not. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we both just waiting. Like I just need a good reason, like at that point in the charts to get in, then I'm in. But 100% want the bar, bro. Just deleting those alerts because DXY is still going bearish. Obviously, gold's gone. USD left the Chad, so. Just now as we're looking at you. Log in with your Apple login easy.
Swing trading will never work out. Look at this. I'm so glad I don't move my stop to break even just yet. I just took profits now at 23.30. I meant to put at 39 bucket. Hit 30, enter. It moves now. Fuck. That's fine. A profit is a profit, son.
Profit is profit.
I'll teach you boys one day, but you're not ready. I'm sorry, I get excited.
Nah, I'm glad to see the boys winning. Glad to see the boys winning. Just sorting that out.
So Chad, I'm place a buy limit on US on NASDAQ.
On my limits.
A buy limit.
Have it on your screen, bro.
Just gonna
Let's
place
see,
it
my
for
boy.
you.
Yeah, the US 30 is just gone. You know, bro, the sad thing is that I took the buys in US 30 for use. I took my money and I closed.
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Ooh, what my lot size? Oh, I almost. Yo. Must take note of your lot size, Chad. Almost.
I didn't go PS. It is on your screen though, bro.
All good. I almost rest our rent money now. Okay, so here's the pending order right over here, Chad. On this 5-minute candle, right over here. Stop loss 32 pips. No, 30 pips, sorry. 30 pips. And then we will go for a light little 1 to 3. What's up, CJ? Hope you're doing good. Oh yeah, and just a reminder also for everyone who wants to do sessions, one-on-one sessions, things like that, educational things, to level up your trading. Feel free to DM me on Instagram, Jim Farrell. And then we can talk. I should have some time next week. I did some sessions this week with quite a few people. Very, very informative as always. Buy gold, your own risk. No. Can't go buy. Remember, the art of trading is to buy low and sell high, not to buy high and to sell low. Handro, yes, looking for a buy. Entry is we are. So Haniro, basically, overall trend is bullish on NASDAQ. Overall trend on NASDAQ is bullish. So we can see price formed this break of structure over here yesterday. Price held it. But now we're looking at the structure. Sorry, we're looking at the structure over here on today. Yo, burpees. Sorry. Asian high and low has been swept. But now looking at this low over here, price first swept the low. So in the end, bullish on the day there. So with price basically breaking above that supply zone, disrespecting it, indicates that this demand basically was in control. Now price traded back down into this demand zone. Price held it. Now I had zone marked that over here, zone marked that over here. So price went straight through it, mitigating it. Then basically put this supply in control over here. But with that said, looking at what happened over here, there's this wall which price rejected from, breaking above this supply over here as well, flipping the buyers bullish. So leaving us with this new demand zone at this point, and literally leaving that liquidity up there for us to go target, because initially I want to sell NASDAQ. Oh damn, the move already came through. Oh no, it didn't tap. So you see there, price almost tapped the demand zone, supply zone, almost. So I see that as a high that must be taken out. So I expect price to head towards that level, but I'm only going for 1 to 3. Let's see if we can get tapped in, yeah. Glad you're back, man. Glad you're back. I hope you reflected a lot. No, Andro. Price has not touched the zone yet. Remember, guys, if you guys want to learn how to trade my method, you have to message me, and then I can give you my strategy. Do one-on-one sessions with you. Give you a self-evaluation sheet. You can trade live with me privately as well. Get a self-evaluation sheet, investment formula, all these type of things. My entire entry rules, as well as my cheat sheets that I send to my members. So it's completely up to you guys based on how you wanna level up your trading. Oh, no, Andro. Remember, one of the main things I live by on this channel is always talk about let price come to you. Price has not yet come to that level. Always wait for price to come to you. DXY is still holding this zone.
Are you in a trade there, bro?
Oh,
I
no.
walked in here and I could feel it was like tense.
Oh,
It
no.
was quiet. I could feel the suspense.
Nah, we're still patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. Oh, we'll have to wait for DXY to actually reject that level properly.
DXY is queen, bro. Yeah, that gold. Beautiful. As I said to you guys, though, just I remember I said, like, DXY had to hold that Asia high. If that thing gave, that was donezo. Nas. Yeah, Jex. I'm sorry, bro, but you see what we were talking about with Nas. That was a perfect just not entering at that time. US 30, though. Nas, honestly, I think Nas is going to do what US 30 is doing. It's just a case of I don't know when. We've seen literally this whole week, Nas has been very messy, and then has that random just, it bangs. So I think US 30, if you look at US 30 and everything else, guys, I think Nas will do it. It's just a case of when it's going to do it. That's all, Chad. Jay, watch Nas, stop loss and TP. It's there on the screen, guys.
Yeah, 30 pips.
Just remember, guys, for me, Nas, Messi, US 30 just ran. Obviously, did what we wanted. Got the close in Asia lows. Wanted a pullback, ran. Wanted above Asia highs. Literally was almost at the weekly resistance when it closed. And gold, honestly, I just wasn't locked in for gold. As we said, wanted the retest Asia highs, but we were watching Nas. So that's just me. Wasn't locked in on that one. But Jeff gonna give you some. So we're just gonna wait on Jeff's thing.
Yeah, we tapped in. I think we tapped in. I should be tapped in. Yeah, I'm tapped in there.
There you guys go. So we're gonna see Jeff's trade play out, guys. Let's see how this thing can run for you.
Let's see where we're gonna go break even on this trade, guys. Let's see where we're gonna go break even. There's a fair value gap here, so I think once we hit that fair value gap, we can go break even. You guys will see me changing up my method a lot the next few days / weeks. I've noticed something about my risk management.
Dun, dun, dun. Alright. Ah, Jeff, looking good there, bro.
Yeah, looking good. Patience pays, guys. Just mustn't forget to journal the profits and not only the losses. Last night, I had my first moment of like, sure, at least I'm not stupid. I won't mention names. So someone got someone got an inheritance of 200,000 rand. What do? They buy them 3 cars. 3 cars: Golf, Corsa Bakkie, and a motorbike. And I'm just like, how much did you spend on that? How much do you have left? What did you invest? And then I can guarantee you this person's gonna message me within the next 90 days asking me how to trade and say they need money. I can guarantee that. Nice NASDAQ. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on. Okay, once this candle closes, we can, okay, in the fair value gap there. I'm gonna go break even there, guys.
Come on. Jeff provided for you guys here today, Chad. I missed it, but Jeff is in on it. Come on, Jeff, eh? You can do it, Jeff.
Jaden, it depends on the structure. So there's a limit. I don't want to. I hate 40 pip, 50 pip stops.
Ah, bro, this thing's gonna fly for you. DXY is gone now. DXY is literally died now.
Oh damn!
That thing's gone, bro.
Damn.
I must say you caught that. That's beautiful. That's gonna fly.
But yeah, it all depends on structure, Jaden.
Yeah, guys, you had a beauty yesterday. You got a beauty today. Keys, a 250 pip stop on USD normal. Someone told me yesterday their stop loss is fixed 250. Yeah, bro, mine's a fixed. Okay, well, not 250. I think they're just reading it wrong. So it will show 250. That's actually 25. So just I'm gonna quickly show you what we talk about when we say that. I think the guy just doesn't know how to read it. But let's say you entered there. he's looking at that number there, that 250. It's actually 25. It's not 250. Take the the 10 off. So yeah, it would be 25. So I always say it's a 30 pip. So mine would be 300. That's how you would work that out. Yeah, when it comes to indices, your points are different. Just a little heads up there. So you'll see a lot of guys, a lot of your mentors and that on Instagram that trade indices and things like that. They always talk about they had 1,000
Pips.
point move. Your brain might read pips sometimes. It even happens to me. But if you actually go back and read it, technically he'll say 1,000 point move because it's points. Where pips is take a tenth off of it, so it's only 100 pip move. Like again, big move, but yeah, it's not 1,000 pips, it's 100. So yeah, if your man's saying 250, it's 25. That's the actual amount. Gold makes grown men cry, makes you lots of money or humbles you. Neo T, I always say the same thing. Gold, that's the thing with gold. Gold's either going to make you a lot of money or it's going to cost you a lot of money. That is as simple as it comes with gold. But yeah, gold is gone.
Takiri, if you say it didn't tap on capital.com, let me see. Capital.com.
End of the day, though, it's different charts.
Yeah.
So we
I
never
wanna
analyzed on that chart.
I want to see what the why say didn't tap. Oh yeah, you guys don't want to use what I tell you. Yeah, you missed trades.
At the end of the day, that wasn't the chart it was analyzed on, so
Yeah.
it's not that it was incorrect. Remember, guys, there's not a thing of just analyzing on any chart. You need to analyze on a chart that is showing the chart that your broker uses. Because it's pointless, let's just say you use Capital, but now you're using the same broker as Jeff. Now your broker would have been activated, but on TradingView you never were. Because they're different charts. You need to trade the chart that links up to your broker's charts. It's not just about I like Capital and not Anda, for example.
Yeah, like I mean, you can't say like I mean it's the same things.
Yeah, there's a reason there's different ones. I'm in the trade though. No, that's what I'm saying, bro. So you probably, if you with Volt, then you have the same broker and stuff as Jeff, but you analyze it on a different chart, and that's not the chart that Volt, for example, uses. Who took the swing with me yesterday? 210 pips in profit. Almoski. More money coming soon, guys.
I actually have a cool name for Mo Signal Service. Mo Signals, like more signals.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
You know what that would do? Mo signals, mo money.
Nee, Mo Signals, more money. Yeah, yeah.
Hashtag Baba.
And the logo must be that sticker in the group.
Oh yeah. Is 8-cap aligned with Volt? I think 8-cap and are aligned with Volt. If I'm correct, guys, don't quote me on it. I think capital.com is DXY and C Trader. Don't quote me on it. I could be wrong, but majority of the pairs you would find on C Trade and that is what is capital.com. I might be wrong. Don't quote me on that. Mo's quote yesterday was hilarious. Can't be stopped if there is no stop loss. We teaching our boy the wrong things here. Yo, Nas is messy though, bro. Even though
It's playing
it's a
around,
beautiful
yeah.
entry, but like
Yeah.
DX1's dying. Gold skyrocketing, US30 skyrocketing, NASDAQ just can't make up its mind yet. I still say if NASDAQ gets above Asia highs, if you get a closure above Asia highs,
Nah, then we're
then
good.
it's gone. It's gone.
Then we're good.
There we go.
100, yeah. We're in break even. We have nothing to lose now. I actually have a template here.
What did it say?
Manifestation.
You just need this now, bro. Like you like 2 more pips. Close above Asia highs.
Then we're good
Then
to
you're
go.
good, bro. That thing's gonna fly. Alrighty, so you stick to the break even on TP now. I don't know. Oh, that's it, bro.
Yeah.
It's break even or TP. There's no in betweens here. Even for Jeff, I don't think you're taking partials there. That is a full
No.
TP, that range. When
No.
Jeff's TP is off the screen,
You
then
and
you
you
take
and Miles really
partials.
made a valid point the other day, and Chris other day on stream. And I looked at it like, if I really ran like all my trades at 1, 2, 3. Yes, bro. I
Bro,
would
but
have
also-
I would have
but
had
also-
so much money right now.
But my thing is also, think of it this way, like, not only run it to a 1 to 3. Let's even say it was a 1 to 3. You securing, like, let's say it's a $100 trade. Let's just take a number here. It's a $100 trade. You only securing $20. $80 got left on. It hit you at maybe whatever, and then went to TP. But now you left it, and you take the full $100 at TP. Like, that's the thing. Having that realistic TP, but taking a full TP. Like,
Yeah.
and my thing is, that's what I say, bro. Like, it's
Like
not like
literally, I sat last night and I went through my like my history of the trades I took. I think on that 100 rand account that I flipped to 1,000 rand last
Yeah.
week. And I was like, if I really like cut the trades, I would have made more money in the account.
Yeah. Hey, Lyndon, shot for the donor there.
Awesome, Lyndon. This man knows how to pay his tithes. We must charge the church, me and you, Lyndon.
But
I
no,
mean-
that's what we say, guys. It wasn't ever that we're trying to talk down on our boy. It's that, like, what's it? Positive criticism.
Yeah.
We just, like, again, we were saying, if that's your thing, if you can adapt it, that you stop leaving profits out on the table, you would be an amazing trader.
And also, when why I also say I last night I went to go sit with this. Miles said something yesterday, and he was like, he never leaves anything on the table,
Yeah.
and it stuck to what you told me. It's like it's weird how you hear or know something sometimes, but someone just has to say it in a certain way.
Yeah.
It's so I feel like an idiot though, but yeah, ons leer.
Yeah. I'm on phase 2 now. App 2K floating on 140K. Hey, there you go.
Beautiful.
I bought on that first close above Asia lows. Ain't nothing wrong with that still. When is CPI Redwan? It's next week, Wednesday.
Errol, any broker, my man. If it moves and there's margin, but Volt, bro, can't go wrong with Volt.
Guys, what I'm going to do is I might have to go. So my thing is, I'm going to let Jeff see if he wants to sit here. If he wants to sit here and let this trade run out, I'm going to see if Mo Money will come join him for the rest of it. Unless, Jeff, do you want to sit here and let it run out?
I kind of can't go home just yet. I need to wait for my driver.
Then there we go. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna,
so-
guys, I'll be back now. I'm just gonna quickly check. Keeks, what's your thoughts on that Oanda broker that's on TradingView? Oanda is probably the biggest broker in the world, bro. They're probably the biggest. Right, Chad. I'm gonna leave you with Mo Money and Mo Jev. But yeah, guys, shot for Chini. As I said, unfortunately, I couldn't get what I wanted. But I mean, there you go. There comes that TP, that manifestation candle. But peace and love, Chad. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So stay safe, be safe, and protect those profits, guys. Check you tomorrow.
Check your gigs. Be safe in these streets. I will check your gigs. Check your.
What's up, Chad? I've been summoned. I have been summoned. What are we doing here, Jeff? Thing is, I don't watch you guys' streams. I'm joking.
We are. Yeah, we have summoned you. We need some. We wanna actually. You know, I don't know more.
You don't know what you're doing. Hey man, don't scare us like that. Okay, Naz, what are you looking at? The 3 minute?
5 minute.
The 5 minute. Let's
Yeah.
see. Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm gonna try my best to read the comments here. I don't know where my head goes when I sit in front of the camera. What's your TP at?
18,122.
Just swap them out for me. The other cameras next to you. Yeah. But please bring it back tomorrow, okay? Sure. Oh, okay, fair enough. Hey guys, so I'm not gonna be offering any signals here. Like I'm not a day trader anymore. Is that fair to say, Tim?
Yeah, you only send signals once, twice a month.
Yeah. Here's the thing. I'm trying to find a workaround for like being able to trade while getting my work done because I don't want to steal from my employer. That's a big sentiment for me. So yeah, trading off the 4 hour now, man. Even if it means having to hold your trade for like 30 plus hours.
Look at Mo flexing, yeah.
No. Listen. I'm over the moon right now because that trade spent majority of its time in drawdown, bro.
Nah, it's good, man. It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
So help me count the hours from
You've gone from holding trades for 7 minutes.
to hold. Now we're going for 70 hours, bro. It's only a matter of time.
Okay, guys, just a quick one here. I'm actually gonna move my stop into profit, like literally on this candle, just to obviously not leave anything on the table.
Oh, it's running beautifully though, hey, bro.
It better hit TP. Otherwise,
Is that your manifestation candle?
yep. And it manifested today, guys.
It definitely manifested, but I was wondering what I'm seeing on screen the whole time.
Yeah, manifestation. Let's manifest some more, so now just need a smaller candle.
Hey, Jeff, someone, Mangete Zwan is asking Jeva, what is the site for journaling, please?
Notion.
Notion? I've never heard of that before.
Oh, come on, Mo. I told them you put us on.
I'm being that guy right now. Yeah, man, people are loving the trade.
I'm happy. After those 2 stops I ate today, especially the gold one, I was fucking I was upset. But yeah.
Wait, what happened with gold? Sorry, I actually not. I was reading the comment.
Did
you get the thing that happened. Oh, sorry, bro. Hey, see, that's what I go through trading with you guys, and you guys get these big wins, and I'm like, oh, I should have been there. I should have done this and that. Why didn't I take it? Someone's asking why I didn't take the trade. Cosmic Rue. There we go. I didn't take it because I was in a different trade myself. I was in a gold long. So yeah, trying to not be in like multiple trades at the same time. What up? Okay, sure.
Are we?
Let me tell you, Shay, that I'm being held hostage. Jeff, how's your trading bit?
Alright.
Your trading week, how's it been?
Um, I wouldn't say it's been good.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't say it's been bad. Like yesterday, I was down 4 pips.
Yeah.
I hit a 3.5 pip stop this morning. No, 3.2 pip stop this morning in EU. So that was literally 7.2 pips for the past 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
And then that gold trade, like I said, like it ran so beautifully, but then it added like 18 pips to my loss
Oh.
when it would have recovered everything. So like I've just had like shitty trades like that, and like where I get.
You sound like me in my early days. I should have done this. This should have gone. I feel you. I'm sympathizing.
Now it's also because of what Keegan them told me yesterday. And I'm trying to like really decipher, man, what is it about this thing where I leave money on the table for so much.
Yeah.
And I like, but like also told my members this week I was very aggressive with my trades.
Mm-hmm.
But like going for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. So now with that aggression, I must now also consider like my stop though, and not always make it too tight, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because
I'm thinking about it now, like, because you got stopped out like marginally because your stop loss was so tight,
Yeah.
right? And you see that is what my problem was as well, in the sense of like I wouldn't even give a trade room to breathe.
I feel you.
Yeah,
I
and
feel you.
now when I set my stop loss, I basically put it at the yearly low.
Wait, what?
No, it's a joke.
Yes, that was.
No, the thing is, Chris was giving me smack because I posted that thing saying, like, I don't trade with a stop loss.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, I just considered levels. That's what I'm doing. But then,
Neo T, do I measure my stops? So I have a rule for them, and I measured them. You have to measure your stops.
you absolutely have to measure your stops. Was this with your challenge account?
No, it's my personal account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm excited for this, bro. Like, swing trading, hey? Here's the thing. Here's why I'm enjoying it so much, Jeff. I know it's like, I just started, but I'm really enjoying being able to sit and like really validate a trade. This thing of like I'm new, so like trading on the 5 minute, I'm realizing like there's so many things to check in like 30 seconds because the trade is about to happen, especially with gold, because gold moves. It's not gonna wait for you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
No, I feel you. Now I'm really proud of you, Mo. Like being able to sit there alone. Like for instance, I obviously sit that side with you. So sometimes I see when you're busy analyzing,
Yeah.
and then to maybe see later on that pair you analyzed, then you're in profit, and you like do this on your own. And I'll always put an emphasis on this. You've never blown an account, man.
Yeah.
You know. So for me, bro, that is you deserve an award for that.
Yeah. I should be tooting my own horn, but this horn is communal right now. No, it's like no. Okay, let me read some of these comments. I was bearish on gold earlier, hit stop loss, last bullet on gold, bulls saved the day. 2 or 3 max bullets a day. 2 or 3 max bullets a day. I don't know how I feel about that though.
Mo has never blown an account, Kaden. Never. I think for that,
Yeah,
that makes you one of the best traders.
for technically having never
Never blown an account.
You know what? I have a good support structure. That's the thing. I have analysts on call. They work for me, these guys. I will pull Jeff from his stream to say, yo, validate my trade. Okay.
Curtis, yes you can, my man. Like I don't mind speaking to the chat at all, like to the chat. Those who know him, like Slushy for instance, Slushy knows. We talk all the time, and he's not a client of ours, but like I love him to bits because he's a cool guy. We can relate, we can share knowledge with one another. So yeah, man, feel free. And if anyone else wants my number or wants to have a chat, feel free to just ask.
Let me ask Callan. So he says he's 900 Rand away from breaching his challenge. The past 3 months have been rough. With my first few trades, I was up 4%. It all went downhill from there. I've been trading for 3 months or so. So Callan, you've been trading for 3 months overall, like entirely. That's younger than I've been trading, so that's okay though, right? Like, first of all, Jeff told me an amazing story where he was down. How down were you? 9%.
9.9%.
9. He was down. Bro, listen to that. I don't know how big your account is, because like if you're saying $900, you get what I'm saying. I don't know if you're trading a well, not a 5K because that's in rands. If you, I don't know how the sizes go in rands, but I can't really say how far you are from.
So
actually-
just a quick one there, Mo.
Mhm.
Guys, I'm gonna move my stop up even more. I'm gonna move it like literally up 1 to 1. So literally up 1 to 1. I'll move my stop. But yeah, Mo.
Okay, yeah. So I'm just thinking like it. I think you can absolutely rescue that. $900, dude. Like you reduce your lot size, your risk basically. I absolutely think you can rescue that account, bro. Just stick with the channel here. I think a big thing for all of us is managing risk, all right? Like knowing that okay, if my account is if I can trade with so much, this is what I need to do. The boys will help you with that. That's what I'm gonna say. Yeah. Let's see what else. Kaylin, yeah, I haven't burned an account yet. I did mention that. Been swing trading for a while. You'll do a lot better on the daily chart. What do you mean by that, John S.O.? Are you saying I should go back to day trading, or are you? I don't actually understand.
I think it means analyze on a daily chart.
Okay. Okay. No, I feel that. Because the bigger the time frame, the less noise. Also, hey. I actually have a feeling I shouldn't have set my profit where I did. I have a feeling this is gonna keep running, bro.
What's that?
Gold.
On gold.
Yeah.
Okay, I see it flipped out of it, broke that zone of mine, so my bias has now flipped
Bullish.
even more bullish.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? I shouldn't have said.
Here there's a massive zone, massive demand zone here. So literally all of this breathing room here, the way I see it, you can literally have price retrace a bit into that and then continue.
Yeah.
But I've seen this many times. I don't doubt I'm gonna get this entry down here.
Yeah.
I doubt it.
But you know what, Ed, you're right. I'm taking my wins. This is still, for me, it's hilarious, bro. Like the way this everyone was laughing about it at the office. Like he's still holding, and I'm like, I'm a swing trader now. So the fact that I didn't get stopped out, I didn't walk out at a loss. Because for moments before, I was just like, because news came out, right, and it shot, bro, and I was thinking, damn, should have closed out then, went into drawdown again. So I'm at peace, bro. I'm at peace. Okay, so Jeff, help me with this.
Yeah.
I think it's Kaylin or Callan. It's a 140k account. I tested the strategy for a month before taking the challenge and was consistent every week for that month. Overall positive for every week. IDK, what went wrong with the challenge? You know, okay, let me say this before you chip in, Jeff.
Okay.
Every time I have maybe a bad trading day, 1 or 2, I get frustrated, and the sooner I recognize that, the sooner I step away, right? Because then I get prone to like revenge trading, or I feel like I stop seeing things clearly because this is such a mental game, bro. I think my advice stays the same though. Trade with the boys, trade with the guys, reduce your lot size, reduce your risk, and I absolutely think you can rescue that, bro.
You see, Kellen, also the thing with that is you can't just base a strategy off a month. You see, you can't just base off because the thing is that might have been a month where that type of price action was amazing. But then maybe because you have considered other months, maybe let's say the 1 out of 12 months, that's the only month it performed. Then let's say out of other 11 months, like it's pure, like it's like strategy doesn't work. You know, so I'm not saying it doesn't, but like these are things you have to consider, you know. Then also psychology. You have to also ask yourself this, like when you started, you remember, like it's nothing, when you actually pay for something, there's value added to it. Now like the whole psychology behind it changes because now you can actually lose it. It's not a demo account where you can just go open an account again. Now the other thing, with that said, when this happened, were you rushing trades? Were you forcing it? Were you seeing things that weren't there? You know, these are things you have to ask yourself.
Here's a big question, Callan. Have you been journaling your trades?
And I was gonna say that too.
The thing is, for me, guys, every time I've walked up to Chris and said, I'm struggling, A, B, and C, it's just like, dude, if you can't show it to me, I can't help you. I can't take your word for it. You get so. Also that, dude, make sure you're going to start noticing patterns almost immediately, bro.
And
like
also why we, with the journaling. When you journal, what you're doing, you're collecting data, ne? You can use that data to determine why certain things happen. So when you actually go on your live account, you're taking the trade based off stats and not off emotions.
Okay, so sorry guys, I'm focusing As long as your wins outdo your losses, you'll be profitable. 1 to 2. Faye. Sorry, I'm reading Kalen's now. Yeah, that's pretty true. Takir Jacobs took US 30. Did you long it, bro? How's that going? I don't know where you took it from also. But I would say I myself would, let's see.
US 30,
No, I'm
still been making some more highs.
Yeah.
Come on, NASDAQ, man. Go to TP.
NASDAQ, bro, you and NASDAQ need to figure it out. I need to go see my Chiquita. I'm
Okay, we can cut the stream in 9 minutes, isn't it? 5 o'clock.
yeah,
on
that's
the
fair.
dot.
That's fair.
Okay.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, guys.
Mm-hmm.
So, what I want to say now? I want to say something. I forgot.
But before you say that, you're right, Ed. He said if you got from 4% up to 9.2% down in 2 months, me thinks you have taken too many trades or risking too much on the way down or both.
Yo,
Probably true.
there's a lot of questions here. Like the one question is, since I took 3K to 20K, I keep taking losses after losses. You have to go reevaluate. Like same thing Mo just said, you have to go journal what went wrong with those trades.
Yeah. I
Oh.
think it's important to not expect miracles also. The idea here, a friend of mine advised me. He said, dude, here's the thing. Keegan last year already was just like, if you're panicking like that, then you're risking too much. And believe it or not, I was offended. I was just like, bro, like, what do you mean? You guys risk so much more. Is it because you have like bigger accounts, whatnot? But then fast forward a couple of months, I'm like, actually, you know what? The reason I was able to sit through this, Jeff, like this swing trade, is because I was risking what I was actually willing to lose.
Yeah.
Like I was comfortable losing that amount of money. You get what I'm saying? And knowing that,
I think we also spoke about it in the office once where I said like I think there was a day where that day me and Chris were on here when Chef Yin was playing around like that and we laughed about it.
yeah,
Like if you take a hit, like you must be able to literally laugh it off. Like if you go into depression after hitting a stop loss,
then you're risking
then
too much.
you're risking too much.
And then Eden said at Callan, to be honest, it was not my best week either. Took profits, but it was more luck. My strategy literally worked only once this week. Just a part of the game. It's been a tough week for you guys, eh?
I must say also this week wasn't the best week.
Yeah. For me, that was the week before last. I didn't really trade last week because again, it is important to know when to step away.
But guys, I'm gonna take this chance here to plug myself. If you guys really need help with your trading, message me. We have a program. It's a once-off payment. There's no hidden fees. Lifetime access. If you need me, I reply to you. There's an office. We can do it online or in person. Mo was here earlier. He saw how long I sat with one of our guys, Lance, and we sat for almost an hour and a half, just like running through all this. Like he came here with all these questions. We ran through every single question he had in detail. You know, so like literally, guys, like trading isn't easy per se, but what I've realized, remember, I speak to a lot of people who want to learn to trade. I've realized that some people can't trade. It's just you're just misinformed here and there, and that's what the biggest. They say the smallest things make the biggest difference, and that small misinformed thing causes you to enter at the wrong levels and enter at the wrong times, basically. Guys, I'm gonna lock this stop loss even more. I'm gonna put it literally below this this wick over here.
It is running beautifully, my dude. Damn. Can I ask you something, Jeff?
Yeah.
How did you take this trade? Run me through it.
Took a buy limit. So we're at the demand zone down here on the 50-minute chart. 50-minute chart basically. Then this break of structure over here, price broke above the supply zone. So this zone should have held and price should have broken. It did come down, but you see, here's the thing what I've realized with also smart money traders. That is the trap. Now they think, oh, price respected it. It actually held. But no, price flipped actually. So then this demand zone became valid. And then from that demand zone, price formed internal structure, leaving us with a supply here in the 1 minute. That supply also got taken out, disrespected, and there was new demand left, this candle on the 5 minute.
Okay.
That was my demand zone. Put the buy limit there, stop 30 pips below that level. And
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Let's see. When I got my funded account, I had to get used to the account size and lot size. Yeah, bro, me too. Me too. Seeing these big numbers sometimes. I remember seeing like $25. Oh boy, did I panic. People are giving you W's, bro. Did you
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
Did you lock it in?
I took partials. I closed 50% of my position a long time ago. So this is why I'm holding it to. I want to hit my TP.
You see your boy, guys. You see your boy, guys. Jeff,
Hey.
you need to learn to take a win. This is
Okay,
Bro,
guys. Okay,
listen,
guys. Let's
are
take
you
our
really
profit.
look. Are you really gonna risk all that for a pip, bro? Like you messed up. You should have been out already. I'll quote Chris. You should have been out already, Chad. You should have been out. Like, I'll hit him for you guys. I'm gonna doink
Okay,
him
guys.
after this.
Let's close our profits. Let's close our profits.
Well done. Well done. W's in the
So,
chat. Well done, everyone. I hope you guys took it.
there's the
Don't do what
exit.
Jeff does.
There's the exit.
Winners know when to get out of a trade. Okay, there you go. Well done, bro. I'm glad I could teach you something.
Thank you, Mo.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Anyway, Chad, we're getting ready to sign out.
Just before 5.
Just
Beautiful.
before 5. I hope you guys had a lovely day. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade. I love being here.
And so, guys, like I said, if you guys really need help, I'll drop my number in the chat for you.
Yeah.
I have some time tonight and tomorrow, so DM me. Let's talk.
Yeah. Let's go talk about the Drake and Kendrick Lamar beef, Chad. I mean, it's actually going to happen after this. But anyway, this was fun. Thank you guys for joining us. This, dude, I love this. I love the afternoon session as well. It always feels like radio. Like, I listen
Meh.
in. Even if I'm not trying to trade with you guys, it's like tuning in. So, appreciate you guys. Always good seeing you. I love being here at these random times. Like, I'm the guy who just pops up. Like, we might get more on stream today, you know. But, yeah, that's about it. Peace out, you guys. Done.
Check your chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow.